Ready, everyone. Good evening. Ready all? Oh, so many students are waiting now. So excited, na? Sir might give you question, right? So I don't know actually. Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Now let us come to the topic. We will discuss. बच्चों, right? Get ready, हाँ? चलो. Oh. Okay, let's start. Right? Are you ready, everyone? Yes, बोल दो. Are you ready? Okay, this is the first question. First question will start. Actually, today, if possible, we'll do later on circle some question. But now we are going to discuss fourth chapter. That is linear equation and coordinate geometry, triangle, trigonometric. Okay, and meantime also some question will get from circles. Okay, which one I left yesterday, that one we will solve, right? Chalo, first question now on your screen. Chalo, solve karo. Am I audible? Everyone, bol, am I audible clearly? ठीक है? चलो, get ready, हाँ? Solve करो ये वाला question. Ready now? So let's see who can solve first, and I need the answer. Sec q equals to x plus 1 by 4x, then the value of sec q plus tan q is how much? Is how much? Okay, everyone? चलो start कर दो everyone. फटाफट start करो and tell me the answer. हो गया? Over? Over? How much time you need? Tell me. How much time you need? बच्चों, कितना time चाहिए रे बाबू? The time started. Time started. Let me see how many has been given answer. I have not got yet answer, बच्चों, from online, right? Now solve कर दो. I'll wait only for 1 minute. Then after I'll solve. Okay. Here. Huh? Check. Very good. How many of you got answer? Tell me. 2x, already one answer I have got. 2x. This is 2x. Right answer. How 2x is the right answer. Okay, your time stop. Now let me solve. Over, everyone. Look at here. And look at here. Now check karo. Here it is specially comes from which chapter? Tell me, everyone. It is comes from trigonometry, right? Do you know all the identity of trigonometry? Okay, so there is the identity. Do you remember? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Clear? So now we will use this one here. How check karo? How much is given? Sec q equals to x plus 1 by 4x given. Let us squaring both sides. Okay. So that is how much? Sec square q equals to x plus 1 by 4x whole square, right? So therefore, bachcho, sec square q equals to, x square plus 1 by 16x square, okay? Plus how much? 2 into x into 1 by 4x. This is how much? X will be, 1 by 4x. 1 by 4x. X cancel. 2 ja cancel 2. So 1 by 2 left na. This one. So by replacing this, I can write how much? 1 by 2. I'm writing 1 by 2. Done. Clear everyone? Now check karo everyone. Sec square theta is how much? Sec square theta is how much? Sec square theta is how much? 1 plus tan square theta. So let us replace this value by that one. क्या है? 1 plus tan square here q. There theta, here q. Right? Equals to how much? X square plus 1 by 16x square plus 1 by 2. Right? So this implies bacho tan square q equals to how much? X square plus 1 by 16x square plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is how much? Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is how much? How much? Bolo. Tan square q equals to x square plus 1 by 16x square minus 1 by 2. Are you getting? So this is what tan square q. This implies tan square q equals to, do you know, x minus 1 by 4x whole square. A square plus 1 by 4 b square minus 2 into a into b. You'll get this. Yes or no? Check karo. Check karo. Now you are unable to understand. Tell me. X square plus 1 by 16 x square minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, bacho, I can write now x into, that one I am writing in next step. I can write now it is x square plus 1 by 4x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by 4x. Kitna hai? X cancel, 2 to 4, 1 by 2 or not? Tell me. Tell me. So this is whose value? X minus 1 by 4x whole square. That one I have written. That one I have written. Is that clear to all? Over? Right? So now, see bacho, I am erasing this part and here, check karo. Check karo. Now we have got tan square value. Question is asking us what sec q plus tan q. Sec q plus tan q. What is tan q value? Tan q value क्या है? Square root of x minus 1 by 4x whole square. This implies tan q equals to x minus 1 by 4x. Got it? Tan q. So therefore, sec q plus tan q equals to sec q plus tan q equals to sec q value कितना है? X plus 1 by 4x. Sec q value I have replaced plus tan q value कितना है बच्चों? X minus 1 by 4x. 1 by 4x minus 1 by 4x cancelled. Left क्या है? 2x. So answer is 2x. Clear? चलो उतार दो, solve कर दो. Over everyone. बोलो. Done. Solve कर दो. Over. हो गया. But rapidly solve करो. We have to solve 43 questions. 42 questions are there. How can you solve? चलो हो गया. Over. Next question. Solve. Time starts now, right बच्चों? So I'll wait for how many minutes? Tell me. 1 minute only. 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes I am waiting. Right? Time started now. चलो. Wait for only 2 minutes. I am waiting. Then after I'll solve. Okay? चलो solve कर दो. Solve कर दो. Solve करो. Let me see who can give me the answer faster, right? Yeah, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Time already started, बच्चों. So solve कर दो. Question is not visible to you? Visible? Right? चलो solve करो. चल कर दो. हाँ, ध्यान से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन. बस व्हाट इज गिवन एंड व्हाट इज प्रूफ चेक करो एंड सॉल्व करो. राइट, don't be hurry. Clear? Wherever you are solving thoroughly, first you read. Once the point comes to your mind, means even what, how much it is difficult, you can solve it easily. But first you see, read the question, then solve. Okay, be cool. Now बच्चों 4 seconds left, 3 seconds, 2, 1, go. Done. Over. How many of you have completed? Yes, लिख दो. How many of you completed? Yes, लिख दो बच्चों. Yeah, chalo. I'm solving, right? Now get ready. I'm solving बच्चों. See what is given question. What is given? Check करो. Question is given here: x sin q theta plus y sin q theta equals to sin theta into cos theta. Okay, and another one is given: x sin theta equals to y cos theta. These two things given, and x square plus y square equals to 1. Now just have a look. Bachcho, x sin theta is how much? X sin theta is how much? Y cos theta. X sin theta is y cos theta. Now bachcho, here x sin q written. X sin q written. X sin q theta plus y cos q theta equals to sin theta into cos theta given. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it possible to write x sin theta into sin square theta? Sin q theta. Is that possible to write sin theta into sin square theta? Yes, done. Plus y into cos q similarly. What shall I write? Cos theta into cos square theta equals to sin theta into cos theta. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Now check karo. Here we have got na sin square theta, cos square theta. If this part would be common, which you would common nahi na, then sin square theta plus cos square theta will become how much? 1. So how we will take common? That is here. That is here. Check karo. Y cos theta in place of y cos theta. Shall I write x sin theta? Shall I take in place of y cos theta x sin theta? It is a given, bachcho. It is given hai ki nahi bolo? Is that given or not? Tell me this part. Is that given? This part is given now, right? So I am writing now what that is: x sin theta into sin square theta plus y cos theta as x sin theta. Clear? Into cos square theta equals to sin theta into cos theta. Clear or not? Tell me this step. Everyone bol do. Clear? ठीक है. Chalo. Now what is common? X sin theta is common. Left what is? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin x sin theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to sin theta into cos theta. So which implies, बच्चों check करो, sin theta cancelled from both sides. Yes or no? And x into 1 equals to cos theta. So therefore x is how much? Is that clear, everyone? X कितना है? X कितना है? Cos theta. Clear? We have to find x square plus y square. So we got x. Now we'll find y. We'll find y. Where we'll get? Similarly from here. Check करो. ये क्या given है? ये क्या given है? बोलो. What is given? What is given? Tell me. What is given? Is that visible? Right? What is given? Bolo. X sin theta equals to y cos theta. This implies x value क्या है? X value क्या है? बोलो. What is x value? X value is cos theta into sin theta equals to y cos theta. Right, everyone? So this implies, check karo, cos theta will be cancelled from both sides. So y is how much? Sin theta, bachcho. Y value sin theta, x value cos theta. Now question is asking to prove x square plus y square is 1. So LHS is x square plus y square. Yes or no? LHS is x square plus y square. बस डाल दो. X square क्या है? Cos square theta. X square is cos square theta plus y square. Y मतलब sin square theta. कितना है? 1 equals to RHS proved. Okay, everyone, check karo and note it down. Note it down. Clear? First, right? I'm waiting for 1 minute. Then after we are switching to the next question. Clear? Everyone, solve kar do. Solve kar do. Are you solving? How many of you have done? Just like the done. Okay. Check. Very good. Solve kar do. Okay. Over. Understood. Check. लिख दो. फटाफट. Okay. Over. तुझे समझ में आया कि नहीं बबुआ? बोल. समझ में आया कि नहीं? हाँ? तो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो कि तुम कर रहे हो कि नहीं? तू ओरिजिनल है? Oh. Let me see your copies. Whether you have written? Check. Very good. You? नाथों के नाथ. अमरनाथ. Over everyone. बोलो. Over. Check. So how many of you are writing? 1, 2, 3. और कौन? फटाफट लिख. Right, फटाफट. Right. We are moving to the next question. Next question, बच्चों, within 1 minute. Okay. Finish करो. फटाफट finish करो. Now here is another babua. Okay, don't worry. That babua where? Where is that babua? Are you there, babua? ठीक है. If babua is there, babua hi sir लिख दो. If you are present. ठीक है. Over. चलो, moving to the next question, बच्चों. Next question in front of you. It is from which chapter? बोलो. Linear equation in 3 variable. Oh, 1 variable it is. About 2 variable. चलो, time starts now, बच्चों. Time starts now. Okay, time starts now. ठीक. Maximum 2 minutes you'll get to solve. Maximum 2 minutes, बच्चों. Maximum 2 minutes you'll get to solve. All are बच्चों PYQs from CBSE board. Okay, as well as some question from exemplar. चलो फटाफट solve करो. Only 2 minutes in your hand. Where 42 seconds over. Solve कर दो. Only 3 questions completed, right? Okay. चलो. So 3 is not over. 2 has been over. Okay. चलो फटाफट solve करो बच्चों. Let me see who is giving answer. Is there anyone who has got from online? No one? कोई है क्या? Who can say answer? solve करो faster. और one has got. Okay. That who is that boy? Santosh कौन है? Satoshi. Dhruv. Okay, he's very faster. Always he's giving the first answer, right, bacho? Huh? Chalo, bacho, time already over. Okay, over. Let us start. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Let us moving. Moving to solution. Are you ready? Ready na? Chalo. Dekho. Look at here, everyone. Here is the solution. See, first equation is given x by 2 plus 2y by 5 plus 2 equals to 10, which implies bolo x by 2 plus 2y by 5 is how much? 8. Okay, LCM kya? LCM kya? LCM kya? Bolo 5x plus 4y by how much? 10, 10 is LCM. Do you know this one? I should explain you how it is become 5x and 4y. I hope everybody know, right? Everybody knows. So therefore 8, hence 5x plus 4y equals to 10 into 8 is, that is 80. This is number one equation. This is number one equation, bacho. Let us moving to the second equation, which is 2x by 7 minus y by 2 plus 1 equals to 9. This implies 2x by 7 minus y by 2 equals to 8. What is the LCM? Bol do LCM, bol do kitna LCM? 14. So therefore 4x minus 7y equals to 8. 4x minus 7y equals to 14 into 8. 14 into 8 kya? 112. Very good. So this is number two equation. This is number two equation. Now we have to simplify by elimination method. Which method? Elimination. Check here 4x, there 5x. How can we eliminate x? By multiplying 4 in equation 1, 5 in equation 2, right? Let us multiply. Let us multiply. What is bacho? Bolo. 4 in equation, which one? 1. Okay. Equation 1 into 4. Matlab this one into 4. So 5x into 4 is how much? That is 20x plus 16y equals to 320, I hope, right? Clear? And here we have to multiply how much? 5. So therefore it is also 20x minus hai na ye wala, minus 7y into 5, that is 35y equals to, this is how much? 560, right? Chalo. Now bacho check karo. We have to eliminate which one? X. How? By subtracting या adding? By subtracting. Minus ये हो गया बच्चों, plus ये हो गया minus. 20 cancelled. 16 plus 35 कितना? 6 5 11 3 1 4 1 5. 51y equals to how much बोलो? Minus कितना है? 0. 6 minus 2 is 4 5 240. So y equals to minus 240 by 51, that is 17. No, 3 में cancel हो गया. Okay? Minus 380 by 17. 3 में cancelled, right? 380 जा 240 and 17. Y मिल गया. Y मिल गया तो x तो ultimately this one should come, but still we have to check. Still we have to check. Let us check. How can we check? बोलो. From where we'll check? डाल दो 1 में, ठीक है? 1 में डाल दो. So that is 4 7. Okay, डाल दो 1 में. From equation 1, check करो. 5x plus 4y equals to 80. Hence 5x equals to 80 minus 4 into y. Y मतलब minus 80 by 17. Clear बच्चों? So 5x equals to okay, let me directly solve. बच्चों. How can I solve? X equals to, check करो, x equals to 5 will be divided. So where will be divided? It will divide in each term. So it will become, check करो, 80 by 5 माइनस 4 इंटू, अब 80 है ना, मैं क्या गलत कर लिया, शायद 80 माइनस, ठीक है ना, राइट, 4 इंटू माइनस 80 बाई 17 इंटू 5, ठीक है. So this implies x equals to, check karo, we will get 16 here, 16 by 1 minus here also 16, right or not? So we will get 16 for how much, 64 minus 64 by 17. बस 17 is LCM, चलो सॉल्व कर दो. 17 into 16 कितना है, 17 into 16 मल्टीप्लाई करो, how much पता है क्या, 17 into 16, 16 7 जा 102, 272, 16 7 how much, 102 ना, and 16 1 जा 16, 16 10, 16 10, 16 10 कितना है, but 26, 262, 262, अब 62 ना, हाँ 262, हाँ बच्चा, 16 6 7 जा 2 4 कितना 42, 6 1 जा 6 plus 4 10, 1 7, okay 1 1, right, 2 7 2, right, ठीक है. 272, that is which one, 272 minus plus 64, right, how much is bachcho, that is 336 by 17 is the answer. Option D. Oh, bachcho, then option D. Why? Because x is here minus given, right, but x is plus we are getting, that's why option D is the correct answer, none of this. Okay, due to here minus but answer comes in plus. Got it clear everyone? Solved, solve कर दो, solve कर दो, solve कर दो फटाफट. Okay, चलो moving to the next question. Next question, चलो this question solve करो, solve करो. हो गया क्या previous question, anyone who was left who was not solved, solved, चलो solve करो, solve करो, solve this question फटाफट फटाफट solve करो, time starts now, right, let me give you here 3 minutes to solve, right बच्चों, how much minute, 3 minutes this question, ठीक है, 3 minute time, चलो solve कर दो. ओके चलो सॉल्व करो फटाफट. Aman sold a table and a chair for rupees 1050, thereby making a profit of 10% on the table and 25% on the chair. If she had taken a profit of 25% on the table and 10% on the chairs, she would have got 1065 rupees. Find the cost price of each. Find the cost price of each. Fine. Further question, and which one you have to assume first, find out that one. That is very, very necessary from the word problem. And always I said, whatever question asking, that one you assume and start trading from the beginning. You can solve the word problems easily. Okay. So what's your 2 minutes is going to be over now. 1 more minute left. और कुछ? Do you have any doubt? You? हो गया क्या? हो गया? हो गया बोलो. Time already exceeded from 3 minutes. So I'll now stop the time. Right? Over. Over है क्या? निकलो. No, not over. Okay. Look at here. Look at here now. We will solve right now, बच्चों. The question is here saying, check करो. Aman sold a table and chair for 1050. Means he has already sold both the two article at total cost price, total selling price क्या है? 1050. Thereby making a profit of 10% on the table and 25% on their chair. So while selling, he got a profit on chair, 10%. How much he has got profit? 10%. And on table how much? Sorry, on table 10%, on chair is how much percent? 25%. So this is first condition. Again, second condition saying if she had taken a profit of 25% on the table, if 25% taken on table and 10% on the chair, she would have got 1065 rupees. Find the cost price of each. Find the cost price of each, means cost price of table as well as chair is asking. Cost price of table and chair. Here, whatever. So now we have to assume that. Let the cost price of which one, bacho? Let the cost price of which one we will take? Table. Let the CP of a table, right? A table equals to X rupees and CP of a chair equals to Y rupees. Got it, everyone? Now case 1. Look at the case 1. Case 1. What is case 1? That is after getting 10% profit on table. But 10% profit matlab kya? You know, cost price plus profit price. Profit price is equals to what? Selling price. Equals to selling price. If cost price is X, profit percent is given how much? 10%. 10%. 10% matlab 10 by 100 of which one? Cost price. So then therefore selling price is how much? 110 X by 100 or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? If cost price is X, after getting 10% profit, so selling price would be how much? 100 plus 10. 110 X by 100 rupees is selling price. Similarly, if Y rupees is cost price for a chair, then profit percent kitna hai? 25%. So selling price would be how much? 125 by 100, like this way. Okay, clear? So case 1 is saying bacho ki a table cost, selling price of a table plus selling price of a chair is 1050. That means 110x by 100 plus which one? 125 by 100 x, sorry, y now this is equals to 1050. Are you getting, everyone? This is selling price of a table after getting 10% profit. This is selling price of a chair after getting 25% profit. So therefore if we'll solve this, it will become how much? बोलो 110x plus 125y whole divided by 100 will come or not? Let me multiply that 100 which side? Right hand side. Are you clear? It should be divided here. Then in next step what we should do? We should multiply that side. That is transposition. Instead of doing that step, I am skipping that. Clear everyone? I have multiplied directly. Understood? Okay. So now, is there any common chakra? Okay, let it be. Let it be like this. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Similarly, equation 2 check karo. Case 2. Matlab case 2 will gives us what? Equation 2. Case 2 is saying if she had taken profit of 25% on the table, 25% on table. So what is the selling price of table? Yes, 125 by 100 into x plus 10% on where? Chair. So therefore, that is 110 by 100 into y equals to how much? 1065. Is not it? This implies bacho 125x plus 110y equals to 106500. Yes, equation number 2. Equation number 2. Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear? Now check karo these two equation. See, x coefficient, y coefficient same, y coefficient, x coefficient same. What you have to do? Add them, subtract them. Let us add them. Let us add them. Are you clear? Why we are adding them? Are you clear, bacho? Why we are adding? We are adding first and subtracting them to reduce the value. To reduce the value, because the coefficient of x, y are alternately same in both two equations. Okay. Now let me add 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So what will become? Bolo 110x plus 125y equals to 105 000 na, and this is 125x plus 110y equals to 1065. Abhi double zero, right? Okay, let me add. So while adding, how much will get? Bolo 5 213 2x plus I think 235 will get definitely equals to 005 65 11 1 112, right? Now bacho x plus y 235 is common from left hand side, so whenever we will divide 21150, check karo kitna aaya 235. How much check karo na? Yeah, I think if we'll divide this one by 9 check karo na. 235 into 900 check karo. 9 check karo. 9 how much? 235 into 9. I think 9 right? 900. So therefore x plus y equals to 900. This is number 3 equation. This is number 3 equation. समझ में आ रहा है? आ रहा है कि नहीं? ठीक. Now we are moving to subtracting. Any doubt? Are you having? No, no. Sure. Okay. Now I'm solving, bacho. Subtracting that two equations. Same two equations. Subtracting equation. 110x plus 125y equals to 105. How many 0? 000. Here 125x plus 110y equals to 1065. How many 0? 00. Let us subtracting. While subtracting, how much will get? How much will get? 15 minus 15, right? Why minus 15? Bolo. Minus 15 na. And then this is how much? Plus 15y equals to how much? Bolo. 005 and 6 minus 5 is how much? 1, 1500, right? So therefore, I can write number 2. This is, if I'm writing this is x minus y. X minus y, matlab minus 15 I have taken common. It will become na x minus y equals to 1500, right? So therefore x minus y equals to how much? Minus 100, pakka. minus 100 minus 100 so check. Okay, let us adding which two? Equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4 we are adding now bachcho. Equation 3 and 4 here, adding equation 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, so what will become? X plus y equals to 900, x minus y equals to minus 100. So whenever we'll add, y will be cancelled. 2x equals to 800. So x equals to how much? 400, right? If x 400, y is how much? 500. That means table cost is how much? 400 and chair cost is 500. Okay, check. Huh? But table cost is 4. Now somewhere we have done mistake. 500. Hmm? Where is the mistake? This one the correct? Which one? We have added now this two. Yeah. We have added, then how can we subtract? I think somewhere here is the mistake. I have added x plus y is 900. You have got x minus y here. If you'll subtract minus how much? 100x 110x plus 125y is 105,000. Okay, this is how much? 125x plus 110y equals to 1060. Oh, this is minus 1500, right? This is minus 1500. So therefore this is plus 100 plus 100. So here we have done a mistake. Y cancelled. So 2x equals to how much? Tell me. 1000. So x equals to 500. If x 500, bacho, y is 400. I surprised how table cost will become what? Less than chair cost, right? Basically, if we'll compare in normally, so table cost always higher than which one? Chair. Okay, completed. Check karo. Are you able to clear? Any doubt here? Check karo. Note it down. Note it down. Immediately finish karo. We have to move to the next question. Okay. So long question means ultimately it will take more time. हो गया क्या? नहीं ना? चलो हो गया. चलो solve कर दो. Immediately solve करो. Solve करो immediately. Okay. solve कर दो. हो गया क्या? बोलो. Over. Tell me. Who is writing? Oh, you are. You'll get next question. Wait. They are writing here. Wait. Because whenever you'll solve online, definitely you'll take what less time to solve, right? But offline means you'll take more time. Okay. चलो solve कर दो. हो गया क्या? Understood. So now keep in your mind, but whenever you get this type of question, you'll add and subtract. Okay, equations basically. What problem? You have to first frame the equation. Then after solving two ways: elimination method or substitution. If it is easy to substitute कर दो. If it is you are facing easy where feeling easy to elimination, eliminate कर दो. ठीक. चलो. Let us over बेटा. ठीक. चलो. Next question and your time starts now. I'll give you only 1 minute. Only 1 minute बच्चों. ठीक है. चलो solve कर दो. Only 1 minute time is there. चलो solve कर दो. solve करो फटाफट. It is from which after coordinate geometry, right? The line segment joining the point this and this divided by the point in the ratio 1:2 internally. The quadrant in which point is the quadrant in which this point lies. Find quadrant. First you have to find point, then after you decide which quadrant it is lies. Okay. You are not over. Let us giving one more minute. Last 1 minute. First quadrant. Okay, I have got one answer. First quadrant. Online. Any answer below? Take. What is the coordinate? Which quadrant? First. Third. Second. Fourth. Fifth. Fifth है क्या? Okay, there is no fifth quadrant, right? Okay. चलो हो गया. Finish करो. Fourth quadrant. Okay. Fourth quadrant बच्चों. Which quadrant? Let us see. हो गया क्या? So after this 2 minutes, I will solve. Okay. Fourth. पक्का? ठीक है. Only 2 seconds left. 1 second. Bus time stops. Hey, check करो. Whenever you solve, it may be short question, it may be long question. Draw the figure. Hey, बच्चों, look at here. Line joining the point 7 minus 6. Hey. 7 minus 6. B is what, bacho? That is 3, 4, right? Now, this is the point P which divides internally. It is 1:2. 1:2. 1, 2. Right? We have to find which one coordinate of P. So, you know the section formula X, Y. We have to find X. बोल दो X क्या है? X क्या है? अबे mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y is how much? M y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. चलो डाल दो. mx2 m मतलब 1 into 3 3 plus n into n is 2 2 into 7 2 into 7 कितना है? 14 by 3, that is 17 by 3. ये तो प्लस हो गया. You said fourth quadrant. Oh, fourth quadrant. Okay, that means okay, y is there. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, 1 into how much? 1 into y2, that is 4 plus 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. Oh, it is minus, right? So m plus n is 3. Therefore, how much? Minus 8 by 3. So coordinates are 17 by 3 and minus 8 by 3. Hence, it is fourth quadrant. Plus minus is fourth quadrant. Done. Answer is option D. Okay, chalo. Okay, over. Moving to next question, right? Chalo. Next question solve karo. So it is also same chapter, collinearity. If these 3 points are collinear, it is saying bacho collinear already. So you have to show which option is correct. Okay. It is saying these 3 points are already collinear. Collinear matlab area of triangle is 0. Chalo, dal do. Area of triangle formula, you know what is? Area of triangle is 0 if lines points are collinear. Hence, half into bolo x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y equals to 0, right? So this implies बच्चों हाफ तो 0 हो गया, ठीक है कि नहीं? x1 वैल्यू क्या है? ये x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, ठीक है? चलो डाल दो a into y2 क्या है? b minus 1 प्लस x2 क्या है? 0. 0 मतलब ये 0 भूल जाओ, 0 मतलब ये हो गया 0, ठीक है? x3 बच्चों x3 क्या है? 1. So I am not writing this term because it is become 0. So x3 is how much? 1. 1 into y1. y1 मतलब how much बच्चों? 0. 0 minus b, ठीक है? Equals to 0. Hence ab minus a plus ab minus a minus b equals to 0. Hence what is ab equals to a plus b? Question is asking what about that? Okay, let me take ab that side बच्चों, क्या मिलेगा? So though it is whenever I'm taking that can be multiplied there, right? Though these two are multiplied, it will be divided there. So it will become 1 equals to a plus b by ab. Hence 1 equals to a by ab मतलब 1 by b plus b by ab मतलब 1 by a. So which option check करो? Which option है क्या ऑप्शन में? 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to 1, correct? ठीक है, सॉल्व कर दो. अंडरस्टूड? चलो सॉल्व कर दो. ऑप्शन बी, हाँ, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप बच्चों. ठीक ठीक ठीक, वेरी गुड, वेल डन. So you see I have not written this term because x2 is 0, so directly I have multiplied and I have skipped that term. Okay, chalo moving. Check, ready now everyone? Chalo, next question. It is from which chapter? Sam, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, solve कर दो question, solve कर दो. Very only few questions are over बच्चों, 8 questions, sorry 7 questions. Finish करो फटाफट. So long questions are taking time बच्चों, right? Yes. Solve करो. 862B is 4342 and C is 64 are the vertices of a triangle. Then the length of the median through C. Median through C मतलब C से opposite side को एक line draw करना. Understood? So first figure draw करो. Let us बच्चों, this is ABC triangle. ABC triangle. It is asking the length of the median through C. Median through C. So from C you draw a line to AB. Hence A coordinate क्या है? 62. B coordinate क्या है? 42. And C coordinate क्या है बच्चों? 64. So now find out this point. This is which point? Who can say? This is which point? Midpoint of which two line? Which line? AB. AB का midpoint मतलब x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2 मतलब 6 plus 4 by 2. 6 plus 4 by 2 is how much? 5. So 5 and 2 plus 2 by 2 is how much? बोलो. 2 plus 2 by 2 कितना है? 4 by 2 is 2, right? ये मिल गया, बस इसका डिस्टेंस निकाल दो. डिस्टेंस निकालो, MCQ, right? 6 minus 5 square मतलब 1 square plus 4 minus 2 2 square का square root. So therefore 1 plus 4, so root 5 is the answer. Option A? Oh, none of these, right? None of these is the answer. Okay, got everyone? Okay, everyone solved? Okay, chalo moving to next question. Understood? So bachcho, median means, keep in your mind, you have to draw a line from C to opposite side, and that point is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Done. The distance formula. Take over. Chalo. Next question. Fatafat solve karo. Fatafat. It is a very easy questions from trigonometric. Solve kar do. Very easy question. Time is given to you, right, बच्चों? Time starts now. चलो solve कर दो. हाँ हो गया. 30 सेकंड में बच्चा आंसर दे दिया. कितना? विच वन? ऑप्शन ए. पता नहीं यार. आई डोंट नो विच वन इज द आंसर. आई हैव टू सॉल्व. ऑप्शन डी. डी ए. आई हैव गॉट डी ए. डी आई ए. विच वन? पक्का बोलो बोलो. विच वन? ऑप्शन ए तो बोला. हाँ ऑप्शन ए या डी? डी. ठीक है. लेट मी सॉल्व. टाइम ऑलरेडी ओवर बच्चों. सो बच्चों, व्हाट यू विल डू, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? You have to use the which relation? Reciprocal नहीं, quotient relation. Quotient मतलब, you know, tan q can be written as what? Sin q by cos q, and cot q can be taken as what? Cos q by sin q. ये डाल दो. ठीक है. Let me write. First let me find out बच्चों tan q plus cot q. Check करो. tan q plus cot q. Let me find out. Right. Then after we have to find the reciprocal. So therefore बच्चों क्या है बोलो? sin q by cos q plus cos q by sin q by sin q. Now tell me what is LCM? LCM क्या है? Sin q into cos q. So बच्चों, while dividing you'll get sin q into sin q. कितना है? Sin square q plus cos square q, that is 1 by sin q into cos q. But this is which value? This is which value? This is tan q cot q. Let us reciprocate it. Let us reciprocate. So therefore 1 by tan q plus cot q equals to, reciprocate कर दो. It is sin q into cos q. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Very good, well done. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो, moving to the next question. चलो solve करो. What happened? हला नहीं दो. हला ना मुझे ला. Everyone. चलो चलो. Next question. फटाफट solve करो. चलो. Solve this question. Solve this question. Do you know the value? फटाफट डालो. फटाफट. चलो डाल दो. डाल दो value. Okay. Who's the answer? Very simple. फटाफट कैंसिल कर दो. 2 हो गया. आंसर आ गया 2. Very good. I have got only 20 second answer. 2 2 2. Very good. Very good. Keep it off. अरे बच्चों ये क्या है? sin 30 का वैल्यू क्या है? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. Yes or no? Sin 30 1 by 2 ना. Plus 2 cot 45 is how much? 1. So 2 into 1 minus cos 60 is how much? Cos 60 कितना है? 1 by 2 square. ये दोनों तो कैंसिल हो गया, कितना रह गया 2, आंसर इज 2, आंसर इज 2 हो गया ओवर। चलो मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलो सॉल्व कर दो। दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ इजी क्वेश्चन, फटाफट आंसर करो विद इन 5 सेकंड, विद इन 5 सेकंड। ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है ना, इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड, इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड, राइट, इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड। 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is how much? 1 minus cos square. Yes, yes बच्चों, yes, good good good. Okay, okay, tips is boss, be calm, cool. Okay, understood. Then after read thoroughly question, you can solve everything. And if you have prepared which chapter, focus on that. If you have completely prepared, don't be confident, don't be overconfident. Okay, this much only, nothing else. Be confident, have confidence. And if you have not prepared, confident तो नहीं आएगा, ठीक है ना? So confident कहाँ से आता है? Whenever you prepare. And how many chapters you have prepared? Now revise. This is the time for revision. Revise कर दो, बस जितना आ रहा है लिख दो. But for board, next मतलब tomorrow onward start preparing. If you are worried how to write the exam, that means you have not prepared well. This is the time to prepare. Okay, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is how much? Bolo. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A all multiplied by cosec square A. ये दोनों बच्चों क्या है? 1 minus cos square A है कि नहीं? अरे A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, so 1 square minus cos square A, 1 square तो 1 है, into cosec square A. So 1 minus cos square बोलो कितना है? Sin square A into cosec, both are क्या? Reciprocal to each other. Hence answer is 1. These two are reciprocal to each other. मतलब you know cosec square is 1 by sin square. So cancel, there is 1. Okay. I hope completed this one, बच्चों. Let us move into next question. Next question. Next question is here. Chalo, let me see who can solve. This is within, I'm giving you बच्चों 5-minute time to solve this. Maximum 5 minutes. Time starts now. Okay, solve करो फटाफट. 5 minutes is time. One of the important question also this is, but easy. देसी बोली कौन है बे? देसी बोली 1469. You don't have name? ठीक है. Five minutes बच्चों time, ठीक है. If sec A plus tan A equals to P, so that P square minus 1 divided by P square plus 1 equals to sin A. ठीक. You have 5 minutes already. I have given beta 5 minutes. So those who are actually really wanted to solve, be here, and those who are thinking entertainment is going, please leave. Okay, tata bye bye from here. solve कर दो फटाफट. Okay, don't worry, I'll solve. Very good, very good. Nike Babe कौन है? Okay, just wait for more. I think what 3 minutes. Then after I'll solve. Okay, 5 minutes is given, so I know, so there are very good students are there who can solve. Okay, very good, done. Areva, you have to done yesterday, I think, right? Not this one, I think. Like that a question I have given, huh? Over. हो गया चलो. Yeah, explaining. Wait. Okay. Over. I'll solve till 20 question. Right now, 11th number is going on, right? Then, if you have juice, then I can get the juice from you, right? Otherwise, I'll wind up by 20 questions. Chalo, over. More. How many minutes left? 1 minute, 30 seconds. ठीक है. 35 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17. ठीक. Solve कर दो फटाफट बच्चों. Just remember sec tan sec plus tan sec theta plus tan theta is the reciprocal of sec theta minus tan theta. Similarly, cosec theta plus cot theta is a reciprocal of which one? Cosec theta minus cot theta. So we have to use the reciprocal of sec theta plus tan theta. Sec plus tan's reciprocal is sec minus tan. Sec minus tan. Okay, waiting for more 40 seconds, then after I will solve. हो गया तेरा? ठीक है. 20 second more. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. Chalo. See, bacho, as I said you know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is what? 1. So I can write now this is sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Yes or no? That is also 1. Hence, check karo sec theta plus tan theta is given, means this one is given P. So sec theta minus tan theta kitna hai? There A given, I am writing here theta, right? So that is how much? Equals to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, this implies sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by P. I can write or not? Yes, bacho. So this is what sec theta minus tan theta value, and sec theta plus tan theta is given. How much? Instead of A, I am choosing bacho theta. I have written already. So don't think I have written by mistake, but I am writing this one. Tan sec theta plus tan theta equals to how much? P given. But we have got sec theta minus tan theta. How much? 1 by P. Let us add this to equation. This is equation number 1. Which one is given? Equation 2 we have got by simplifying this identity. Okay, and already I have shown these two are reciprocal to each other. That's why I have chosen this. Okay? So now let us adding equation 1 and 2. Sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by P. That is equation 2. Adding, so I will get tan cancelled. While adding, tan cancel, left 2 sec theta equals to P plus 1 by P. Hence 2 sec theta equals to P square plus 1 by P. So sec theta equals to, you know bacho, P square plus 1 by p into 2 means 2p. Done sec theta value. Okay, let us find tan theta from equation 2. Tan theta from equation 2. Check karo. From equation 2. From equation 2, that is sec theta minus 1 by p equals to tan theta. Clear? From equation 2, what I am writing? Sec theta minus 1 by p equals to tan theta. This implies sec theta value क्या है? P square plus 1 by 2p minus 1 by p equals to tan theta. Yes. Now check करो what is the LCM. LCM क्या है? 2p. So p square plus 1, 2p divided by p 2. So minus 2 equals to tan theta. Hence tan theta equals to बच्चों कितना है? p square minus 1, p square minus 1 by 2p. Got it? We have got two value, that is sec theta, and here we have got tan theta. Okay, let us divide tan by sec, tan by sec, tan by sec. Are you clear this one? Okay, so now I am dividing which one? Tan by sec, because but you know tan by sec is what? Sin theta. Check करो, tan by sec is sin है कि नहीं? Now dividing tan theta by sec theta equals to, hey, tell me tan theta value क्या है? P square minus 1 by 2p divided by p square plus 1 by 2p. Also you can ask her, why did you divide tan theta by sec theta? Chalo, I am leaving this one. But you need p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So p square minus 1 is with which one? Tan theta, na? And p square plus 1 is with which one? Sec theta, na? So let us divide that two. So this one by this one, this one by this one, right? So now bachcho check karo, 2p 2p cancel. Tan theta is how much? Sin by cos? Sin theta by cos theta multiplied by 1 by sec theta. Yeah, sec theta. Sorry, sec theta is how much? 1 by cos theta. So cos theta by 1. Cos theta by 1. So cancelled. Left p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Sin theta. Oh, let me simply complete this. So that is sin theta equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This is the answer. But I have taken instead of a, what is theta? Okay, chalo, solve kar do. Where is doubt? Tell me. Where is doubt? Tell me. Okay, living. Moving to next question. Tick, tick, tick. Very good, very good. Solve kar do, solve kar do, solve kar do. Hey, this is now 9:18. You leave now? But no, yeah. 8 questions will do at your home. Go. Okay, chalo. But solve kar do, then after 5 minutes we will continue. Okay, solve kar do this one. Then 5 minutes is break. After 5 minutes we'll start. Solve kar do this one, solve kar do, and we will start. 5 minutes wait kar lo. Ready all? Are you ready? So we will get back right now. Are you ready everyone? Tell me. Bolo. Are you ready all? Am I audible to everyone? Yes, yes, लिख दो. Yes, लिख दो. Yes, लिख दो. Ready all? Okay. Are you really studying everyone? Check. Very good. Are you enjoying all? Okay. So if you are enjoying bacho, give your best also and do well. Not only a single exam, every exam. ठीक है ना? So whenever you enjoy while studying, definitely you'll do better. Okay? Chalo. Come back to the next question. Okay? So question now. Next question is this. Solve karo and tell me fatapat the answer. This is from triangle, chapter triangle, this question. Okay? Chalo. Solve karo and time limit is here, though it is MCQ, I'll give you maximum 2 minutes. Okay? Solve karo and tell me. Answer de do. चलो सॉल्व करो फटाफट everyone. So it is from chapter triangle. You know, it is given D and E are respectively the points on the side AB, AC of a triangle ABC such that AD equals to 2 centimeter, BD equals to 3 centimeter, BC equals to 7.5 centimeter, and D is parallel to BC. Then the length of D is asking. What is the answer? Answer is 6. Which one, sorry? C. Okay. Shall I solve now? Solve everyone. Okay, but I am getting but a different answer. 5, 3, 5, 3. So that means I have to solve. Okay. Chalo. Next. Now, see, it is given D and E. D and E are respectively the points on side AB, AC of a triangle ABC. First, draw the triangle. Draw the triangle. Okay. It is ABC triangle. And बच्चों check करो, D is where on AB. D is on where AB. This is point D. And E is where? E is on AC. E is here. Okay. And now question is also given here. D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC means we can use basic proportionality theorem. Keep in your mind. Okay. Now what is given AD value? AD is 2 centimeter. BD is 3 centimeter. BC is where? Where is BC? BC is given by 7.5 centimeter. Question is asking D. That means we will use similarity. We'll use similarity, not basic proportionality theorem. We can solve by basic proportionality theorem, but we will use similarity to easily get that. Check करो बच्चों. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. ADE and ABC, angle A is common. Angle A is common, bacho. And you know, though these two are parallel, which two? These two are parallel. So I can say angle D equals to angle B. So D equals to B, that is corresponding angle. This is common. So triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by which criteria? Angle criteria. Yes. So therefore, bacho, though these two triangles are similar, which one? The small and the whole triangle similar. That's why the corresponding sides are in proportion. Matlab AD by AB equals to DE by BC also AE by AC. Hence, we will use what AD value? 2 by AB. AB क्या है बच्चों? ये 2, 3. AB क्या है? 5. Equals to D value is asking question. D, which one is asking? D. Hence, DE by BC. BC is 7.5. So therefore, if I'll cancel 5, 7.5, you'll get 1.5. 1.5 into 2, that is 3. So DE is 3 centimeter. D is 3 centimeter is the right answer. B. Those who are given B answer, clap yourself. ठीक है? Okay. Moving to next question, बच्चों. Next question. फटाफट solve करो. This is from also triangle. This is also from triangle. Your time starts right now. Only 1 minute I am giving you time, बच्चों. Okay. How many minutes? Tell me. 1 minute. 1 minute time. चलो solve कर दो. Solve कर दो. Very good, very good. Those who have solved yourself, clap yourself. Clap for yourself. Your time already started for this question, बच्चों. Solve कर दो फटाफट. Very good. Power hitter. चलो बच्चों सॉल्व करो फटाफट सॉल्व करो. या टाइम गोइंग टू बी एंड राइट नाउ. Only 4, 5, 3. Yeah, time stop. Clear? Let us see what is the question given. How many has been given answer? Okay. Okay, ठीक है. Question भेज दो, question भेज दो. ठीक है. चलो. Now see बच्चों, which one? This triangle in the adjoining figure, xy is parallel to AC. Xy is parallel to AC. Check karo. This one is parallel to AC. If xy divides the triangle into two parts, xy divide triangle into two equal parts, then the value of ax by AB. Which one is ax? Check karo. Ax by AB question is asked. This triangle divides which one? If xy divides into two parts. Okay, everyone. xy divides the triangle into two equal parts. Two equal parts. इसका मतलब क्या है? If it is divide triangle into two equal parts, this upper part equals to lower part. So we can say what is बच्चों? by, though it is divide equally to half, by cy equals to bx by ax equals to 1:1. 1:1. Are you clear, everyone? So therefore by equals to how much? cy as well as bx equals to x. Now question is asking to find ax by ab. Ax by ab. Ax by ab. ये तो one part है, ये भी one part है. So total how many part? Clear, total 2 part. Hence बच्चों ax by ab check करो. Ax तो one part है. ab क्या है? ax plus bx. This is also 1 that is 1/2. Is the answer is 1/2. Clear, everyone? Howdy. ax by ab बच्चों. फाइंड करो सॉल्व करो. Are you solving, everyone? Tell me. Oh, it is given about area. Oh, it is what you're coming from then area. Okay, there area actually 1 by 2 area. Area, it is coming under area. This is coming equal part. Their area is divided into 1 2 part. Okay. Okay, but check karo. It is not answer 1 by 2. See what is given actually. It is actually out of syllabus part here, right? But still we will solve. It is given xy divides triangle into two equal half. Two equal half means their area is equal. So area of triangle BXY by, I can write now area of triangle which one? YC equals to 1 by 2. It is given, right? But now tell me you all, oh, it is half, 1 by 1. It is 1 by 1. Now tell me area of triangle BXY by area of this bigger triangle, bigger, and if these two are, this triangle is one part, this is one part. So bigger triangle would be how much? That is triangle ABC equals to what? 1 by 2. Okay, but actually this theorem is not there. So if two triangle are similar, if these two triangles are similar, their sides square is equals to area of the ratio of their triangle. Matlab, we can write what? Though these two triangles are similar, so their ratio equals to side of BXY. Matlab, we can write bacho BX by which one, you know, your AB, right? BX by AB square equals to 1 by 2. Hence, BX by AB equals to square root of 1 by 2, which is 1 by root 2. Means BX by AB is 1 by root 2. So BX by AB is 1 by root 2. BX is one part, AB is root 2 part. AB is how much? So let us, BX is how much from the ratio? BX equals to Y. Then AB would be how much, bacho? Root 2Y. So now question is asking AX by AB. AX by AB. AX by AB. Now check karo bacho. AX value how will get? AX. AB minus BX. AB minus BX by AB. Hence AB value क्या है? AB value that is root 2y minus BX value क्या है? Y divided by AB. AB is how much we have got? Root 2y. Okay. So now what shall I do? Check karo. I have to take common as y. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2y. So y cancel. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is the answer. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is the answer. Option D is the correct. Okay. Actually, this is coming from previous year question, and this is what? Out of syllabus actually. Because you don't have this theorem. Area of triangles ratio is square of the ratio of their side if two triangles are similar. It is not there now in your syllabus. Okay. So you can solve, but it is not coming under your exam. Chalo, next question solve kar do. What is the next question? Chalo, check karo. Next question, see. So next question is what, bacho? LM is given parallel to AB. AL value given. AL is how much? X minus 3, and AC value bacho given. AC value that is 2x and bm value क्या है, bm check करो x minus 2, this is bm, and bc value is given, that is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 bc value. So then find the value of x, then find the value of x. We have to find बच्चों x का value. So you know we can apply basic proportionality theorem. Hence, though LM parallel to AB, by basic proportionality theorem you can say बच्चों 2x by x minus 3 equals to what is that? Let me write from here. CL, it is asking x value, na? So CL by AL equals to, you know, CM by VM. But we don't have CM value. We don't have CM value. We have to find CM. Check karo how. So now tell me CL by AL equals to, CM can be written as CM can be written as SC minus BM. SC minus BM equals to what? CM. So in place of CM we have to write SC minus BM divided by, that is your BM. So CL value क्या है? CL value क्या है? Or CL also we have to find. CL similarly, CL क्या है? That is your SC minus how much? AL. So that is SC minus AL. We can write SC minus L by AL equals to SC minus BM by BM. Or you can use the corollary directly. That is corollary also you can use instead of using this one. So AC minus L, check करो. AC minus L, AC length क्या है? 2x by 2x minus L. L is x minus 3, though we are subtracting minus x plus 3 will come. We are also subtracting this one, right? 2x minus x minus 3 मतलब minus x plus 3, and then AL value क्या है? AL value is x minus 3 equals to AC. Length of AC check करो, that is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 minus which one? BM. BM is x minus 2, though we are subtracting, it will become minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2 divided by BM. Check करो BM क्या है? X minus 2. Hence 2x minus x is x plus 3 by x minus 3 equals to 2x minus x is x, 3 plus 2 5, x minus 2. Right? Let us multiply, cross multiply. So x plus 3 into x minus 2 equals to x minus 3 into x plus 5. So while multiplying, you know, it will become x square plus minus x into minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 equals to x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. So from both sides x square has been cancelled. Now check out minus 2x plus 3x is what? X minus 6 equals to, there is 2x minus 15, 5x minus 3x. So therefore check karo minus 6 plus 15 equals to 2x minus x. I have taken x that side, 15 brought this side. So therefore 2x minus x is x equals to minus 6 plus 15 is 9. X value is 9. Okay, is it there? No. Okay, it is not there, right? So therefore option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, so I have taken this one. You can take directly by the corollary. What is that corollary? If these two lines are parallel, you can write बच्चों directly क्या है? AC by मतलब whole line by this lower line. Though values has been given. A, that is क्या है? AL equals to BC by BM. By taking also you can solve. Though I have solved by this way, taken more time. So if you solve by this way, it will take less time. But this is comes from the corollary of which one? Basic proportionality theorem from your NCERT book. Okay, chalo. Moving to the next question, right? Are you solving all? Are you solving? ठीक है? Shall we move to the next question? बोलो. Next question is here. Next question is from Assess and Reason. Tell me फटाफट answer. Direct question also you have in your NCERT book. This one. This Assess and Reason based a direct question of your book. ठीक है? चलो चलो. Very good. Very good. Let me see who can give me answer. फटाफट. What is the answer? Answer दे दो immediately. Answer दे दो. Answer दे दो. Everyone. So this question answer, not previous question. This question answer दे दो. This question. Assassin is given ABCD is a trapezium with a DC parallel to AB. मतलब you have to draw a parallel trapezium. That is ABCD is a trapezium. Check करो. A, B, C, D is a trapezium where these two are parallel. You know, parallelogram is a quadrilateral where one pair of opposite sides are parallel, right? This is given AB parallel to DC. I have formed. And E and F are the point on AD and BC respectively. E kahan pe hai? E is where on AD. E is where on AD and F is where on BC. So now question is saying AB by AD. AB by AD equals to AC by AE. AC by AE. Is that true? Is that true? Tell me. Though these two are the points on here, tell me, do you think this is true or false? True or false? Let us check how. Okay, let me join now. As per the question, it is require what to join AC. It is asking AC and AE. AE is where, bachcho? AC by AE, ठीक है? And now this is also I am joining AB, AC, AE required, AC by AE, and what is required? AB by AD. Check करो. AB by AD. It is saying. ठीक है? Now tell me, though these two are parallel, okay, actually what, you know, it should give us what? DE by AE equals to CF by BF. Means in a trapezium, if these two are parallel, then we can construct this line. Are you getting? We can construct. And here is also, let me erase this line. Okay. Though E and F are 2 points, if I am joining EF here, let us a line I am drawing here. Okay. Now what should we get from here? These two are parallel. These two are parallel. Anything else given? EF parallel to AB. EF also parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. If EF parallel to AB, then EF also parallel to which one? DC. So from here, what can we get? Let this point name is Z. This point name is Z. So now though EF is parallel to AB, then EZ also parallel to which one? AB. We can write EZ parallel to AB. Okay. So therefore DE by AE equals to which one? DZ by which one, bacho? BZ. We know this is directly from the question you have in NCERT book. But now point question is asking what? AB by AD. Check karo. AB by AD it is asking. AB by AD, it is not possible. AB by AD. It could be EZ by AB is possible. Okay. So this is A assertion is wrong. Clear? Assertion is wrong completely. It is wrong. And which one is correct? Reason check karo. Why? Reason is given that statement. Which statement? any line parallel to parallel side of a trapezium. Any line parallel to parallel side of a trapezium. Which two are parallel? These two are parallel. If any line parallel to parallel side of a trapezium divides the non-parallel side in proportion, which is true. That means which one we have got. But assertion is false. Reason is true. That's why. Understood, Bachu? Okay. So never AB by AD, never AC by A. That is wrong. So true is which one? Reason. Hence, the as per the option in your question paper, you'll get a D. Means where A is false, R is true. A is false, R is true. I hope clear, everyone. Okay. Moving to next question. Now this question, it is from linear equation, बच्चों. Linear equation solve कर दो फटाफट. Solve कर दो फटाफट. Solve करो. Linear equation. Question check करो. So same thing also you'll do in exam. First properly read what each question asking, accordingly you'll act. It is asking find the value of k. Find the value of k. Here is k. Such that these two equations will have no solution. Will have no solution. What is the condition for no solution? What is the condition for no solution? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Clear, everyone? Check करो. A1 क्या है इधर? That is 1. A2 क्या है? What is A2? A2 is 3. Equals to B1 क्या है? -2. B2 क्या है? K. Is should not equals to C1. Check करो बच्चों. C is in right side. If I'll bring to left hand side, it will become -5 by -15. You should keep in your mind. So therefore, you know, K value is what? -6. K value is -6. If K value is -6, check करो. ये value क्या है? 5, 3, 15, 1 by 3. So K value is -6, but question is asking what should be the value of K? What should be the value of K? If K will be -6, do you think it will give you no solution? If K value will be -6, though these two are equal, K is -6, but if we'll write K as -6, we will not get no solution. We'll get infinite solution. That means K value क्या है? K value is any real number other than -6, means any real number, but K should not equals to -6. This one you should keep in your mind. Though K is -6, why? Because these two are equal. If we are putting -6, we'll get same thing, but every case 1 by 3 means this 3 will become equal. But if this 3 will become equal, you'll get infinite solution. But question is asking for no solution. When will be no solution? For any value of K, any real value. Okay, K could be any real number, but K is not equals to -6. Done, everyone? Solved or not? Tell me. K is not equals to -6. Yes. Very good. Right answer, बच्चों. चलो, moving to next question. Solve कर दो. This is from coordinate geometry, and your time limit now starts. Right? So it is 2-minute time. Find the ratio. You have to find the ratio. 2-minute time is given to you. फटाफट solve कर दो. K is not equals to beta -6. If K will be -6, then that one will give us infinite solution. But question is asking no solution. When no solution, K value should not equals to -6. K value could be anything, but not -6. Okay. चलो लिख दो. Write that. I'm expecting to complete more 2 questions. Then after I'll decide whether we will continue or not. But finish karo. This is 17 questions. 17. Question number 17 is going on. हो गया क्या? If completed, tell me yes sir. Over. And tell me answer. I'm waiting your answer, बच्चों. 5:1, Adesha Panda. Okay, Adesha, what happened? You are earlier joined or not? Now this is first time you are joining. Tell me. Have you solved the previous question? Which one we have discussed? 5:1. Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Got 5:1. I am getting but your answer right now. 5:1. Is that okay? For we have to check that. ठीक है? Time is going to be over right now. चलो 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 ठीक है ठीक है. Time is going to be off. Okay. Chalo. Let us moving to where answer. See, question is saying here, find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the point 5 minus 6 and minus 1 minus 4. First, bacho, for concept of this question is saying, first draw the figure. Which figure? The quadrant, Cartesian plane. I have drawn. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So these 2 points lies where? 5 minus 6 lies where? Tell me. 5 minus 6 lies where? Fourth quadrant. Let us, here is a point. 5 minus 6. Clear? And minus 1 minus 4 definitely lies on third quadrant, right? Minus 1 minus 4. That means if I'm joining this 2, I'll get a line. It means it is crosses by y-axis, right? So at which point it is passes through y-axis? What is the coordinate of that point? That is 0, y or minus y, whatever we will discuss, that is later on, but 0 y. Yes. So now question is saying, find the ratio. We have to find this ratio. Let the ratio be m by n. And which value x value y we do not know, so we have to use this x value. M by n equals to, bolo kya hai? X minus x1 by x2 minus x. So dal do m by n equals to x value kya hai? X value kya hai? 0 minus x1. Let me check. X1 is which one? This one, x1 minus 1. This is bacho x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Hence 0 minus x1 by x2 minus x. X2 value kya hai? X2 is 5 minus 0, so that is 1 by 5. 1:5 we are coming. 1:5. 1:5 or 5:1? Yeah, what? 1:5 or 5:1? Tell me, everyone. What is that? How much you have got? Check करो ध्यान से. Where I have done mistake. X value क्या है? I have taken 0 minus 1. ये तो 1 आ रहा है. ठीक है. 5 check करो बच्चों. 1 second. 1:5 तो 1:5 या 5:1? Check करो. Check करो 1 second. Okay, bachcho, the formula is correct. We have used, actually this point is our first point we have to choose, because this is first point given na? We have to choose, this is our first point, this is A, this is B. So that means here is a problem. I have chosen what? This one first point, this is our first point. We have to take this is first point. Means by using direct formula, you can get, but here is the mistake, what? The 5 minus 6 is given. So we have to choose, this is our first point. Okay, A, and this is our second point, matlab B. Then after we will get, okay, let me draw 1 second. Problem is where I'm telling you, okay, why we have got this is 1 is 2. Oh, see now, this is the point, okay, this is what? -1 -4. But according to the question is saying this is first point. Therefore, this is A and this is what? B. So therefore, we have to choose, this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2, y2. Are you clear? For using this formula, you have to concentrate where, which point is given first. Which point is given first? First point kya hai? That is 5 minus 6. Hence, you have to choose, that is x1, y1. Here is the problem. Okay. That is kya hai? X1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So therefore, m by n would be x matlab this point, it is 0, and y. So therefore, x minus x1, 0 minus x1 value kya hai? 5 divided by x2. X2 is how much? -1 minus 0. So that's why m by n would be -5 by -1, which is m by n equals to 5 by 1. That is, but directly by using section formula you can get, okay, that case you'll get directly 5:1. No need to use first second, but whenever you use this formula, you have to keep in your mind which point is given first point. This is first point and this is second point. So first point you have to choose x1, y1 and x2, y2. This is one way, or else you can use the section formula directly. What is that? Yeah, section formula. Let us, I'm taking bachu what? It is m, it is n. M is to n. You know the x coordinate is what? mx2. mx2. Here m into 5, 5m plus n into -1, n into -1. This one you can choose, and divided by m plus n. Though x is 0, let me put, so 5m minus n equals to divided by m plus n. Hence m plus n is multiplied with 0, that is 0. So 5m minus n. Hence, you know, n equals to 5m. So therefore, bacho will get m by n. Let me divide there. It is what? Again, same thing problem. अरे क्या हो गया? mx to the second na, x is how much? 0. So 5 into m, correct, and then n into -1 is the correct. So 5m minus n, 5m minus n is how much? 5m minus n, 0. So 5m goes to n, m by n is 1:5 is coming. Why? By using this one, what happened? 5 into m into 5, 5m plus n minus n, right? Divided by how much? M plus n, taken correctly. So 5m, bacho, 5m minus n divided by n plus n, 0, cancel. 5m क्या हो गया भाई? 5 minus 6, ठीक तो है? 5m minus n, 0. So we need m by n. M by n, you have got how much m by n? M by n is how much? How much we are getting, bacho? Where is the mistake? Check karo na, check karo thoda and tell me. Somewhere some calculation mistake is there. 5:1 तो आना चाहिए, 5:n, m by n, 1:5 is again coming by this method here. What happened? Where is the mistake? So mn, correct na? 5 5m, 5m and minus n by m plus n equals to 0. So 5m minus n equals to 0. So 5m equals to n. So m by n equals to 1 by 5 is coming. 1 by 5 matlab, 1 by 5 matlab which one? This is 1, this is 5. अरे यार क्या हो गया बच्चों? Okay, see the previous one, previous one you see, and why we'll waste the time now. So unnecessarily, I do not want to waste much time. Somewhere there is a calculation mistake, but now you choose this one, So this is which one? This one, check out. This one, Lilo. 5:1 is coming correctly, right? Moving to next question. Next question, solve kar do. This is from trigonometry. Trigonometry check karo. Okay, that's somewhere I have written, I think m and from that side, that's why it is coming, but I do not want to waste much time. So solve karo. But 5:1, you have seen the first way, that is correct one. First way you have seen, which one we have done, this is the correct one. 5:1 is the correct answer. Okay, solve by this way. You remember this formula and solve. That case also will come, but we have to write accordingly the given values. Okay, check karo. Chalo, moving to next question. Solve karo this one. What is this question? See, check karo, solve kar do, fatafat solve karo. See this question, everyone. 3 tan theta equals to 4. Then find the value of sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. It is or mentioned, but not for you now. In exam, you can take the help of or. Though I said it is the previous year question, so somewhere or has been used. But right now there is no or. You solve these two questions directly. See, how can you solve this? Is, it is so easy. Tan theta, 3 tan theta equals to 4. So tan theta equals to 4 by 3. So use karo tan theta property here. Tan theta property here. How? Sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta, which is equals to, how we will get tan theta, bacho? I'll get tan theta by dividing, cos theta both numerator and denominator. So sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta. We are dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta. So we will get like this: sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta. Okay. So that equals to sin theta by cos theta, tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1. चलो डाल दो वैल्यू, tan theta value 4 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1. Okay, so 4 by 3 minus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1 क्या है? 4 minus 3 by 3 divided by 4 plus 3 by 3. 3 cancelled. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1 by 7 is the answer. 1 by 7. Check करो everyone. 1 by 7. Yeah, very good. Next question. Move to the next question. Solve करो ये वाला solve करो फटाफट. Solve करो and tell me the right answer. What is the right answer? Right answer बोल दो क्या है? And check करो how many questions over. I think over कितना है? 18 over. This is 19 or what? 19 question over already. Solve कर दो ये वाला फटाफट. हो गया? Over this is. Moving to next question. Right all? Next means this question. This question we will solve, बच्चों. Sin square 45 plus sec square 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 minus cosec square 60 is how much? Sin square 45, sin square 45 कितना है? 1 by root 2 square, 1 by root 2 square बच्चों, plus sec square 30 is how much? You know, that is root 3 by, sorry, 2 by root 3 whole square divided by 1 plus tan 45, you know, 1 minus cosec square 60. Cosec square 60 is how much? Tell me, everyone. 2 by root 3 whole square. बस डाल दो. That is 1 by 2 plus 2 by root 3 का square क्या है? 4 by 3 divided by 2 minus 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. That is 3 1 ja 3 plus 4 2 ja 8 by 6 divided by 3 2 ja 6 minus 4 by 3 and 8 3 11 by 6 divided by 6 minus 4 कितना है? 2 by 3. So hence it will become 3 to just 6. So 11 by how much? Bolo. 4 answer. 11 by 4. Check karo. Check karo everyone. Clear? Okay. Moving to the next question and then you get prepared. Okay. You get prepared, you home. Check karo. Next question is coming from bacho where you know it is a case study question. सॉल्व कर दो बस. देन आफ्टर विल वाइंड ऑफ द क्लास. ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व करो ये वाला. सॉल्व कर दो फटाफट. सॉल्व कर दो. व्हाट इज आंसर? टेल मी. A is taken as origin. A is taken as origin बच्चों. A is origin here. 0 0 मतलब coordinate is 0 0. What are the coordinate of the vertices of D of PQR? Vertices of PQR. It is actually triangle, not D. Vertices of triangle PQR. What are the coordinate? चलो लिख दो. Check करो. If this is 0, this is 1 2 3 ना क्या? A garden is in the shape of a square. The gardener grew saplings of Asoka tree of the boundary of the garden at the distance of 1 meter from each. Okay, he wants to decorate the garden with rose plants. He chose a triangular region inside the garden to grow rose plant. In the above situation, the gardener took help from the student of class 10. They made a chart for it which looks like the given below. चलो all are 1 1 meter distance. तो 0 मतलब इसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 1 2 3. इट इज व्हाट बच्चों? 3 and 2. ठीक है ना? व्हाट अबाउट दिस? यू नो 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 है तो 6 इज x कोऑर्डिनेट. y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 5. एंड व्हाट अबाउट p कोऑर्डिनेट? चेक करो p कहां पर है? 1 2 3 4. that is 4. and this is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. that is 6 बच्चों. ठीक है, चलो. now we have got first question answer, then you have got 1 mark. okay, find the distance between PQ and QR. डाल दो distance formula. you know distance formula क्या है? x2. what is the distance formula? बोलो. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square का क्या है? square root. बस डालो and tell me what is the answer. Then find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the points P and R in the ratio 2:1. You have to find that point. Then find out if triangle, not D, this is not D, actually this is triangle. Find out if triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay, find out if PQR is an isosceles triangle. Means you have to check whether it is an isosceles or not. Tell me answer फटाफट. बोल दो. whose value is root 18 beta? 4 6, so we have got right. 4 6 3 2 6 5. Very good. Okay, got the answer? Tell me. ठीक है, चलो. If you have got this answer very good, then you will get how much mark? 4 mark for case study. Every case study gives you 4 mark, right? Now everyone have your dinner and sleep well, and wake up from the morning, and again you revise, go to your exam. For your exam, all the best everyone. Next thing is, have confidence and write. Before writing, read the question 2 times if you are unable to understand. Okay, do not write blindly and do not take help from others, because you want to check where are you, because you are preparing for board exam. Now if you are not prepared, still time is there, get prepared well. Okay, everyone, don't take help during exam time, but after exam time, before exam time, you can take help from everywhere. But during exam time, bachcho, though you are class 10 student, don't take help, and instead of taking help, focus whatever you have practiced. Okay, all the best. Okay, we'll wind off right now. Bye all. Bye.